need for security. And we're done. Let's check some scores. I want to show you some scores, and I'll explain certain things to you. We're gonna check some really nice scoring tools that I always use. Okay? How about that? For this website. Okay? We're gonna get some ratings. We're gonna get some ratings because my voice is almost gone. Because my voice is almost gone. Can't believe HTTP2. Ah, it was so easy. I could have stuck that on for this one rating. I guess we'll come back and do all these ratings again after we actually come back to the server and finish it all. Can't even type, I'm in such a rush. Oh, there's people getting F's, B's, and C's and stuff. These people don't know what they're doing. That's hilarious. Oh, go. Clear cache from the past. Cache from the past. Clear cache from the past. I was demoing out this a little bit earlier before I started on the old domain, which was also the reason earlier why ISP config wasn't working at the time. Besides the I needed to put the IP, was because I recently just threw away the old domain to rebuild this for tutorial thingy. Not tutorial. This isn't a tutorial. I am definitely not giving this a tutorial status label. This is a skill demonstration by yours truly, Dakota M. Carter. Let's get all of our tests back. Healthy cows, hide from latest. Okay, let's check MTASTS. Are you kidding me? SMTP underscore TLS, healthy cows does not exist. I didn't add an SMTP underscore TLS. Normally we do that right here. I thought it did. SMTP dot underscore TLS, healthy cows. It's right here. So maybe it needs a refresh. I definitely know it's not incorrect, and I can double check that while these other ones are loading. Whoops. So one of these I know for sure is going to take a hot second. Ah, the mail servers weren't even fully... Ah, that's cool. They should be fine for now. HTTP2 is off because we didn't go in the Nginx block and turn it on. I'm not even going to test it. Come back when it's on. Alright, am I still recording? Ah, yes, I'm still recording. It's not an A+. I bet you it's in the Nginx blocks. The IPv6 is an A. The IPv4 is going to be the exact same. But let's go in here and I want to explain some things to you. Bada bada bing, no red, no red, no red, no red. Protocols. So we have a lot of TLS 1.2s still on because I didn't go and turn them all off. Like I was saying, you do not want TLS 1.2s for almost everything. I left the Nginx block out of configuring the Nginx block where I would disable TLS 1.2 entirely and only keep TLS 1.2 on for the mail server, like exactly what I was saying 5 minutes ago. All these TLS 1.2 ciphers will be turned off. Okay? That would literally automatically put us... I've done this so many times, we would have an A+. Okay? And this doesn't affect your A+ score. Your ID caching. So, yes, everything is golden right here, okay? Everything is golden. And I'll prove that to you in the future when I come back after doing the front end. Immunity web scores. PCI DSS compliant, HIPAA compliant, NIST compliant. Let's go and see what's up with this. OCSP stapling is turned off. I just said that also in the Nginx block. I didn't want to spend time turning it on. I'm not trying to like fake you out of anything. I can prove it to you. Like I've done this a million times with so many different websites and servers. Okay, TLS 1.2 is on, yes, because of the same exact reason. We have TLS 1.2 enabled still. We didn't force it. I should just go force TLS and then show y'all. Ah, no, dude. It's been, I'm already 37. 37. HTTP, strict transport security. I already said that. Literally just said that 10 minutes ago. Okay, that's just for that. That's all of them, I think. Pretty sure it just scrolls you down to where you need to be. But if you look at these kinds of tests, this is good stuff. You want TLS 1.3 only, pretty much, and you want 4096s for a lot of the things. Certain things you won't have 4096s. You could change everything, you know, but certain ciphers and certain ignores are very important here. So this is all pretty much security. Which is very compliant. Next, MTSDS, a record is on, SCMT cannot resolve domain name, underscore SMTP dot underscore TLS, healthy cows does not exist. Okay, I can probably solve that right now in a second. The other one I'm not going to take too much time on. Let me just, SMTP dot underscore TLS. I've entered in the record wrong when I pasted this one because it wasn't one of the ones I was remembering. It was one of the ones I was pasting. Let's see. Dot underscore SMPT. It's TP. That was easy. That's so funny. That is so funny. I typed it backwards. But SMTP TLS. That's so funny. Alright, so we can rerun this test. I wonder if it updated that quick. Yep, look at that. And it has the policy file for the STSV1. Okay, so the host healthy cows is... Whoa. Well, this is our host name. This isn't our domain name. This is for our mail server. And we can diagnose it later. So we will come back to this. For the boss that views this video, hopefully, and then hires me. Dane is old. We don't use Dane. Like, get out of here with that. MTA STS. It shows an X here and it shows it here. Okay, it pulled the ID here through the record, and the STS is wrong. We will fix that too. Okay, that is an easy fix. This is usually green for me. Okay, healthy cows, MX lookup, DMARC, DNS, no problems with DMARC. Oh my god. I quit life. I quit right now. This is the mail server record. So I need to go back into the postfix and fix the mail server. I skimped it because I'm trying to get out of there. I bet you it won't even load. I bet you it won't even load. Let me just, oh my god. Connection failure? Did I type it wrong or did I configure it wrong? MX. Healthycows.xyz. It's correct. I promise you, I always don't have these problems, and I could fix them if I wanted to spend some time, but I was supposed to be done with this an hour ago to get my resumes out on time today. So I will come back and fix that. Noted. SSL check. Okay, and then this one right here. Dane, Hardbleed, weak ciphers. I don't have time for this. We'll come back and fix some stuff later. Okay, this is for the mail server also. The start TLS, which which I did in the very beginning of this video and didn't configure in the postfix config file. So let's copy this, because I know that this needs to be perfect if you want. And we're going to get straight into our server. This hurts me. F, dude. I mean, I guess it's over the top standards that most people don't care about and most people don't implement. Like, this is like mail server kind of standards for like mail host providers. But yeah, we'll come back to it. Let me refresh this. Yep, it's good. Control F5. It's HTTPS. So we'll come back when we install Node, and we will. I guess I can make a playlist for backend plays for front end, and we will switch over now to the front end while I'm physically exhausted.